Bro, if you're searching the flights on Skyscanner, maybe in an incognito mode window, and you think you're hacking the system, I'm sorry to tell you that you're not finding the best offers. I've been a nomad for the past 7 years. I think a thing or two I have learned them. So sit down, watch this video, and thank me later. Okay, bro, look, I'm searching a flight from Venice, Italy, because that's where I am right now, all the way to Tokyo, Japan. I chose the 4th of December because it's kind of the cheap thing. As you can see, I cannot add another airport I want to leave from. For example, close to Venice, there is the capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana. Let's just go directly searching something. It's saying that the best flight is this one. It's showing me that there are different websites I can choose from. Let's say I want to go to gotogate.com because that's what Skyscanner is doing, by the way. It's just searching other website and redirecting you to them so you can buy from there. It's giving me an error. Terrible. Let's try another one. Okay, this website is an Italian one. It's finding me the flight for 566 euros. Look at the difference when I search for the same flight on Google search. As you can see, it's finding another flight that Skyscanner was not finding at all. It's from ITA Airways and it's 527 euros. Second, we find our same flight and from the website of the airline company, which is Turkish Airlines, is 591. It's kind of a little more than this one, right? But let's go check the difference. So let's go to Turkish Airlines, Venice, Tokyo, one way, 4th of December. As you can see, the flight is 590 euros, but you have meal service and you have 2 pieces of luggage of 23 kilos each, plus 8 kilos of hand luggage. Let's go check the difference on the other website. You have 1 piece of 8 kilos cabin baggage and that's it. You don't have anything else. You don't have food, you don't have change thing. If you want more bags, this is the price this website is asking you. It's 1,440 euros. So listen, always buy the flights on the website of the airline companies. What you can use to search for the flights is Google Flights, as we just did. Or we can go to a website like Kiwi.com, which allows us to choose more than one starting point. Searching in this way, it's finding that leaving from Ljubljana, which for me it's kind of the same, it's $549. Let's go back to euros just because we made the other searches in euros. All right, it's 518. So we're saving kind of 60 euros. Now that I found a plane, I'm obviously not gonna buy it on Kiwi.com. I'm gonna buy it on the airline company website. So let's go here and change Venice with Ljubljana, and as you can see, I find it for 513 euros, which, by the way, has the same amount of luggage if I buy the ticket on Turkish Airlines. But bro, if you haven't found a destination to go to, you don't know how to choose it or something, I made another video for that, so go check it out. Now let's talk about incognito mode. Let's make the same search on Turkish Airlines, but in incognito mode, alright? As you can see, the price is the same. You know why? Because actually, nothing is changing, bro. This is what they make you believe. So when you're gonna search and you're gonna see that the price is increasing and you go back on the other window, you see that the price increased in both, you're gonna think, oh my god, if it increased in both windows, it means it's real. I should buy it before it goes up even more, right? And you buy the flight. What's actually happening, every time you click, every time you search for a flight, they record this happening. Not only you, but everyone else. Prices are increasing when many people are searching for the same flight. When you are searching every day for a week in a row, the price will increase. Then you're gonna get scared and you're gonna buy the flight. This is exactly how it goes. So search for the flight only when you wanna buy it, alright? Don't search it just for fun. Don't search it constantly to check if the price will increase, because doing that, the price will definitely increase. You're gonna be the reason that the flight is increasing, alright? So don't do that. Just search when you wanna buy the flight and use the tools I just showed you.